So you see this glass water magic effects. You like it, right? Right away, I'm going to show you how I edited this picture. It's very simple, very simple. In some seconds, we are done. You can as well edit every related video. That is one good thing about it. Let's dive into it immediately to teach you how you can do these effects.
When you open your CapCut, then go and import the video that you made before. So one thing you are going to make sure of is you are going to make sure that this particular video is in one clip. Don't break it. Make sure that when you bring the cup, immediately you start filming, you bring the cup, you place it, you put your phone, just be giving small space in between them. You put your phone, then you put hand like you are pressing your phone. Then when you put hand, you remove hand, then you bring water. You go and bring water in the cup or anything. Then make sure you raise the cup very well so that it will not touch the mouth of the glass cup. Then slightly pour water inside the cup. You see it, guys? Pour water inside the cup. When you finish pouring water inside the cup, then you stop. That is the main video that you did. Now it is time for editing. Now the first thing you are going to do it, look for where water start coming to the cup. Let's look for it. Where we start is like here. Let's come. Okay, this is where we want to start dropping water. Then cut it, split it. When you split it, then click on overlay to bring it down. Click, see it, to bring it down. Now shift it to, you are going to shift it to reach where you point your hand on the phone that you want to press it. You know, where you point, when your hair is like is here, when you point your hand on the phone that you want to press it, then put it there. Is here. Then when you put it there, go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. Then click on mask. When you click on one, see this horizontal, click on it again. Then you see what came up. Then try to turn it to go up. It was down before. You see, just watch what is happening. As I'm turning it, it's shifting, removing the water, removing the water. I'm turning it, is removing the water. I'm turning it, is removing the water. I'm turning it, is removing. When you finish removing it, then you can shift it down very well to be where your hand is, you see. Then you can click on done. The only thing you need to do now is to split all these ones and cut it out. It's not needed again. You split them and delete. Split these ones and delete. When you split it now and delete, then we are going to do, you come and check the front to see whether you want to cut anything out. Maybe to know whether it's much, you split and delete. The main transition now we have gotten it. Okay, this particular first one, let me remove the sound. So see it, you bring it so that when it's pressing, immediately you are pressing. Let's shift it small, but I know you are understanding the concept. Immediately you are pressing. When you remove your hand, then make sure it stopped. So what you are going to do, if there is still more, just click on it and put the volume to 0, so that even when it's still going, nothing, you will not hear the sound of water again. So see it now. Then no sound again. That is exactly what I did. And your video is ready.